O Captain, my Captain, our fearful ship is done. The ship has weathered every rock. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells near. The people are exulting. While otherwise is standing new. The vessel green and daring. But oh heart, oh the beating drops of red. Where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is sung. For you the bugle chose. For you bouquets and ribbon message. For you the shores are crowding. For you they call the swaying mass. Their eager faces turning. Dear Captain, dear Father, this arm beneath your head. It is some dream that's on the deck. You fall and cold and dead. My Captain does not answer me. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. She has found her safe and sound. Its voyage closed and done. From fearful ship, our victor ship, comes in with objects won. I follow all stars and rainbow bells, but I with mournful tread. Fall on the deck, my captain lies.